good. So I should have enough white to get through. So I'm going to go. I've got my scrapers. I'll use the widest one and I will scrape that over. Alright, do the rest with my hands, I think. Get it nice and flat. Do the drops. Get the bubbles out. Okay, that should do it. I don't want to dry the paint out. And leave it to sit for a while. Okay, ready to go again. Now I'm going to check for any more air bubbles. There don't seem to be any, or one or two. Looking good. Okay. Right. I'm using two colours. This one here is ultramarine blue, 2/3, with 1/3 of Mars Black added, and then mixed with PVA glue to reasonably thick. Oh, and some dimethicone added. This one here, I haven't mixed with anything. Dark turquoise matte acrylic from Semco. And it's quite thin already, the right consistency I need, so I'm going to try it as it is. So I'll start here. Just a wee dot. And a wee dot of titanium white. Okay. Now I'm going to blow and see how I get on. Might have to use a straw. Right, put a dot more blue because I need a little more blue going through it. That's certainly different. Right. Okay, try again. Okay. And round again. More cells I can bring up. Not many, it's doing alright. This one had a few more cells, of course. Oh yes, getting some quite sweet little white lacing going on here. Oh yes, very much liking the lacing. Wow, that's certainly sweet. See if I can get any lacing in the middle. No, never mind. Looking good. Got to remember to keep my arm out of the way or I keep hitting my painting, which isn't very good, but I'm just learning. I probably plonk my whole body in it sometime. I wonder if I can bring the blue around a little this way and blow it into the middle. I like the colours and the patterns I'm getting. Give that a bit of a torch again now. See what sort of lace I can come up with. Oh wow, getting some nice lacy little patterns in here from the dimethicone. Very pleased with that. Love the lacy and the tiny little holes. Just gorgeous. I want to bring this out a little more. Right, a little more. See what lacing and patterns I can come up with. Just loving the way the dimethicone brings up the cells. I only put the dimethicone in the dark blue colour, so it has worked very, very well. I mixed it in well because I didn't really want too many huge cells. I just wanted a lot of small cells and of course the lacing effect, which is just beautiful. I think I'm done. I'm just going to see how I get on. I want to sort of merge this in with the pattern if I can and make it like a tail. Just trying it out, seeing what I can come up with, enjoying myself in the process. I'm done, all good. I will give it one more torch. Got to remember to double click it. It doesn't always click on at the right time. And I'll come back again probably in about half an hour and give it another torch. And then I'll put it aside to dry. So here is the finished picture. It hasn't been varnished yet. I'll probably do that within the next week or two. Quite pleased with how it's come out, although I was surprised the black actually merged sort of into the blue, showing up some quite strong black pieces. And yes, the turquoise came out quite bright as well in some of the parts.